Hey guys, so if your Bermuda is looking something similar to this, where we got some thin areas, we've got weeds, it just overall doesn't look very good, and really the only reason why it's green right now is because of the recent rain that we've had. There's a couple things we can do for this. So Bermuda is really relying on the soil health for its own health. And right now I can tell you without even doing a soil sample or soil test that we have water issues and we've got some soil issues. Everything is down in the soil, so probably some fertility issues. So how can we fix this? So the best thing to do is, first of all, make sure we're irrigating correctly. Make sure we're not watering every single day. Make sure we're watering on our 1 or 2 days a week. Make sure we are watering deeply so those roots are driven down. And the other thing that will really help this out is doing an aerification and top dressing. So we will poke those holes down in there and we'll get that compost in there, start amending the soil. And there are a couple things we're doing there. One, we're getting oxygen down in the soil, which a lot of times this is probably heavily compacted. It's probably a small layer of sandy loam possibly, and then it's going to be a lot of just builder's mix, caliche, who knows what, native soil, something in there. Normally rock, just nothing very good. So we'll start amending that soil. We'll get oxygen, water to move through there. That compost is going to provide organic matter, which will turn into organic fertilizer. And you'll really start to see the benefits of your turf health. And it doesn't take very long to see this. A lot of this is just, it's thin canopy, so the weeds are going to come in. We do want to get on a weed control program so these weeds are out of here, and that'll help with thickening up the canopy. And then also a lot of times you will need to be on some type of fertilization program. Bermuda really needs to have all the elements that it needs for it to be thick and healthy and just provide a aesthetically pleasing turf. If y'all have any questions, just leave a comment below and we'll get it taken care of. Thanks a lot.